So for some time now, I've had selected items that I tend to keep with me at all times. From tech devices that keeps me productive on the go, to daily accessories that I've chosen to maintain my drip. Yo, this looks sick. Damn. I think I finally have the perfect daily essentials that has improved the way I carry myself, so I thought it was best to share them with you guys. I have been carrying a messenger bag with me to free up my pockets while making sure I have everything I need for the day when I'm traveling light. This right here is the Harman H3 sling bag from NeoSmart, and it's literally the cleanest looking messenger bag I've ever seen. Not only is it made of high quality materials that look amazing, but also has enough compartment to fit all my daily essentials. I can throw in my iPad and even fit my Sony a7C setup while still having space for supporting accessories. My favorite feature of this bag is its functionality, specifically the easy access to the front compartment. The zippers are smooth and high quality, making it easy to grab my keys or stash something real quick. There is even an additional deeper pocket with clips, perfect for storing things like my extra camera battery or ND filters when I'm vlogging on the go. If you've been watching my videos, you've probably seen this bag in action. It's just that functional. Plus, if you're into fashion, this bag definitely pairs well with most outfits. I chose the black color to match the rest of my daily essentials, keeping things minimal and clean, which is also why I went for the black titanium this year for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's been my daily driver since I returned the review unit iPhones for the channel, and I have been enjoying it ever since. Even though it's quite similar to the iPhone 15 Pro for the most part, I like the larger size even though it feels too big occasionally when I'm using it with one hand. Luckily, I have relatively large hands, so it works fine for me most of the time. I have been using the camera a lot for content creation and taking flicks for Instagram, and the results are stunning. If you are spending this much money on the phone, I highly recommend taking full advantage of its cameras. You can create professional level content, especially with Apple Log feature, which I have been exploring more recently. The iPhone 16 Pro Max easily lasts me an entire day of heavy usage thanks to its amazing battery life, but I tend to not charge my phone at the end of the day, which is why I always keep the Anker MagSafe power bank with me at all times. I used to get around 70% of extra battery on the iPhone 15 Pro, but with the 16 Pro Max, I get roughly around 50% of extra charge. Might not sound like much, but remember the iPhone 16 Pro Max is actually way bigger, and that extra juice is actually clutch most of the time. The Anker power bank attaches firmly to the muffed vegan leather case I have on the iPhone 16 Pro Max using MagSafe technology. It's a very clean looking case with skin friendly texture and a minimal design whilst protecting the phone, and I am pairing it with the muffed wallet stand to store my cards, while it also serves as a kickstand for consuming media. Now, I have tried other earbuds over the years, but I just keep going back to the AirPods Pro. I recently got the second gen that features the USB-C ports after a temporary loss of my first gen AirPods Pro, and it turns out that I actually needed to upgrade. The sound quality has really improved with clear and balanced audio, and the active noise cancellation is just the best I have ever experienced on earbuds. It also has the conversation awareness feature that automatically reduces the volume whenever I'm listening or talking to somebody, and it's crazy how accurately it works. But guy, when you just started talking, this thing just stopped talking. And to just reduce the music I was playing. And it pairs so well with all my Apple devices like the iPad mini, which has been a fantastic addition to my daily essentials. Now, this small tablet is perfect for reading and signing documents, which I have been doing a lot lately. Its compact size and lightweight form factor makes it easy to use in any setting without feeling overwhelmed. I can quickly whip it out to edit photos on the go using Lightroom by transferring footage from my camera via the Apple SD card adapter. It's such a convenient way to get light work done like photo editing done without distractions. And that's because I have kept it free of social media and entertainment apps except YouTube, so I can stay focused. The display is crisp and vibrant, and overall it's just a fun device to use. I've got the full review of the iPad mini coming soon, so make sure you are subscribed for that. The Apple Watch SE 2 has been my daily go-to watch, but they are not the best when it comes to aesthetics. So I recently picked up the Orient Komatsu mechanical watch, and it's been my daily driver ever since. I got mine in this silver stainless steel with black watch face, and it goes so well with every outfit I wear for the most part. I highly recommend this for anyone who is looking for an entry-level mechanical watch around the $200 to $300 price range. It really adds a nice touch to the overall aesthetics I like to go for, and I'm loving it so far. Now, I still wear the Apple Watch whenever I work out or go for a run, but to track my health when I'm wearing the mechanical watch, I always have the Ultra Human Air Ring on my index finger. Aside from checking my notifications and having access to various apps, it literally does everything a smartwatch can do and even more. I have been able to track my sleep accurately with additional details like my sleep efficiency frequency, skin temperature, and how consistent my sleep was. These stats contribute to how the ring determines how much I have recovered over the night after a long day, and it turns out that I have way more energy and feel better on days when the numbers are looking good. Now the ring also has other amazing features like movement tracking and stress rhythm. Knowing these informations about my health has really helped me adjust certain aspects of my day just to make sure I maintain good healthy habits. You can even go further by connecting it to your health app and have health related activities synced. For example, when I work out with the Apple Watch in the morning and put the ring on at noon, it puts all these activities together and calculates my movement for the day. If you guys are interested in the Ultra Human Air Ring, they are currently running a 20% off Black Friday deal, and you don't even need a monthly subscription to use it. I'll leave the link in the description down below, and you can use my code BEEPNG20 for 20% off. Alright, so I recently got into flying drones for the fun of it, and they also contribute to the outcome of my videos. The one I have been using to capture these nice sky city shots is the Potensic Atom GPS drone. It comes in a light 250 grams, making it legal to fly in most places so you don't need a license, shoots up to 4K 60 FPS, and the images are very clean and clear. The camera gimbal is also very sturdy, making the videos it produces look cinematic. If you are new to flying drones, the Potensic Atom GPS is also beginner friendly, and I didn't even have to watch a tutorial to fly this thing. The controller fits well with my iPhone, connecting via USB-C, and it's actually very fun to use. It even comes with an SD card and 2 extra batteries, so you don't have to worry about buying more accessories to start using this. And it's been a fun add-on that fits in my messenger bag main compartment along with other carry-ons. Alright, so I've had this wallet since 2020 and it's still as good as new. It only cost me about $10 at the time, and it's quite functional for the price. There is enough room to store my cards and cash with ease of accessibility, and the simple and slim profile with a carbon fiber look gives that premium feel that doesn't feel like $10. The fact that I've been using this wallet for up to 4 years and still this good makes it a no-brainer. Apparently they don't sell this exact same one anymore for some reason, but I'll leave the link to the Amazon sellers page for something similar. I have been doing lots of unboxing recently, so having a pocket knife turns out to be an essential item that I have with me at all times. This is a $15 Smith & Wesson pocket knife from Amazon, and it has come really clutch so many times. It's not the best knife I have seen, but honestly, I don't think I would need anything more than this to open packages, so it's perfect for me. It's very lightweight, and I just throw it in the front compartment of my bag for easy access. Now, with regards to what I have on most of the time, I just like calm and comfortable clothes. I recently got these Jordan 4 Retro from a shoe plug on Instagram, and the quality blew my mind. It looks really clean and authentic, and the size fits my leg properly. They are available at affordable prices on their website, which I will drop in the description down below, so this will be a game changer for most people on budgets. Now, if you are wondering where I got this outfit from, I literally get most of my clothes from Nike and Zara. I know they are not the cheapest clothes, but I only have a few rotations, and they tend to last longer than clothes from cheaper brands. I prefer plain hoodies with no graphics in natural color because I wear them more than once before washing, and they are easy to maintain. So yeah, that's basically it for what I carry with me every day, and I think these items have contributed a lot to my daily life. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.